Want to learn how to make a stylish shoulder hobo bag from scratch? Hi everyone, welcome to Creative Nest. My name is Catherine, and in today's tutorial I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to draft a pattern in order for you to create your very own stylish hobo bag. If that is something that you are interested in, then let's get started. Here are the tools that you are going to need for this tutorial. Okay, so you will need pattern paper, a measuring tape, 2 rulers, a straight ruler as well as a curved ruler, and a marker, and that is all that you are going to need for this tutorial. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to take our drafting paper and we are going to fold it in half. Now the open side is the side that I want to be close to me. The folded side is away from me. I want you to take note of that. All of our measurements we are going to take from the open side. The first thing we are going to do, as always, is create a starting line. So let's do that first. Now for this bag, the length of my bag is going to be 24.5 inches. So I'm going to measure that now. I'm going to create a straight line. The second measurement that I'm going to take, it will be the shoulder straps. For my shoulder straps, I'm going to do 2.5 inches. From that line, I'm going to come down 8 inches. From that 8 inches, I'm going to go over 3 inches. Remember, this is 2.5 inches, and this is our shoulder line, and this is our first point, and we came down 8 inches, and we went over 3 inches. Then we are going to go down a second time, 2.5 inches, and we're going to go over 6 inches from that 2.5 that we just went down. So that is 6 inches that we went across. Oh, let me go straight across, but let me make sure I keep that. I'm going to shape those 3 points using my curved ruler. I'm going to go through those same 3 points that I just made. Okay, I'm going to create a 2 by 2 inch square. That is it. So just a few measurements and we have drafted our very own shoulder hobo bag. This square was 2 inches, so that's 2 by 2. So 2 by 2. Now I'm going to cut out my pattern. Your pattern should look just like that. Wasn't that easy? We have just drafted a very simple pattern for you to create your stylish shoulder hobo bag. If you like my video, like, comment, and subscribe if you have not done so already. Talk to me in the comment section below this video. Let me know what are some things that you would like to see on my channel. Share my video with family and friends and all of those persons who just want to be inspired. In the next video, I will share with you step by step in how to sew a very stylish shoulder hobo bag. I will see you in the next video. Be blessed. Bye.